What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, another video. So I'm getting a 3D printer for Christmas, so it's a cheap one, but still the idea, like I wanted to make something to pour out of. So I took this 9-ounce cup, or not 9, 5-ounce cup, and I drilled 4 holes in it. I partitioned it off with plastic and some hot glue. As you can see, it's marvelous. No sarcasm there at all. And then I hot glued a shot glass to the bottom to kind of hold it elevated off the canvas. Idea is to pour like cool colors in opposing quadrants and then warm colors and see if it even works. Because I don't even know, but we're gonna do it right now. So all these paints, I have phthalo blue, cerulean blue, titanium white, fluorescent orange, fluorescent pink, and onyx black. They're all mixed 2 parts pouring medium to 1 part paint. And with that, we're just gonna start layering it. There's no silicone in any of these. I'm really hoping to get like really sharp defined lines. So I put no silicone in these. I did a water test with this cup to see if it leaked. And it didn't, so here's to hoping, you know. Maybe we'll see. I don't necessarily need to let it churn too much because as it goes through the holes, they're gonna churn amongst themselves anyway. But I'll let one side churn more than the other just to see, in interest of science. And I need to be careful. Did I drip it? Yeah, I dripped a little blue in that container. So I'm gonna have to be a little bit more conscientious about what I'm doing here. Ooh, don't leak. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing great. I'm having a good time. We had some stuff going on in the family over here, so my wife had to fly to Michigan and deal with that. And it's really bad for things like that to happen around the holidays, but I won't get into much detail here. I'm kind of holding down the fort and the little kittens that we're working with the rescue at. So I'm here with the animals. I'm a stay-at-home cat dad for now. and a dog. A little Toby. Alright, so in this side, I wanted to do some darker colors. So I think black is gonna look really good with those fluorescents. So, and I'm saving some for a base coat. Because I do want them to be able to slide and not get completely eaten up. I just realized I'm not allowing them to churn on one side like I did with the blues. So I'll let that side churn and I'll try to stop this one from doing it. Just want to see if there's much of a difference. And we'll just go with pink again. Let the pink go in there. This is a 5-ounce cup. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, so I am gonna need that base layer to slide on. That is gonna be a must-have. We don't have any leaks. I'm shocked. I can't wait to use my 3D printer to print out something like this because I want to be able to like iterate on this. Some things that worked, other things that didn't, and kind of, you know, make it better. Let's fill this one up a little bit more. And same here. Black and yellow don't like each other. I'm not too sure about black and orange. It's probably similar. And let's add a little bit of white. Now, well, no, not yet. First, let me take this white and pour it all around this cup. I want to have some base to slide on. And it's kind of awkward getting it on there, actually. Just because, you know, like the cup's in the way. All right, let's see. Let's empty out this white too. I'm choosing white to use as a base coat instead of black because the black is gonna probably tend to try to eat up these colors. And I don't want them to just disappear. So it's gonna take the stick and lightly go around. Trying to expand this layer a little bit. And of course, get it up towards the cup. There we go. Maybe a little bit longer of a swipe. I hope everybody's having a great holiday. All right. Now the part where I gotta kind of be careful. So I'm gonna remove the tape. I'll try to tilt it towards you guys so you can see. And hopefully it does what I want it to do. Ooh. Wow, look at those lines, you guys. Well, I gotta stop looking at it and pull the things off. Ooh. That's making some really cool symmetrical looks to it. I like that a lot. Some really nice fine lines in this. I wonder if I was to turn this. This is an experiment, you guys. Like, I'm hoping it works out cool. I think it will. So I'm just holding the cup in place and tilting the canvas, which is creating these really nifty lines. So I don't know. I've never seen anybody do this kind of a pour, so I'm not even sure what it would be called. I was thinking like gravity pour, because I mean that's what's causing all these lines. I like how they're irregular too. Really cool. Man. How much paint do we have left? Oh, we're coming up towards the end. Yep, that one's just dripping out, so I think I'll try to figure out how I'm gonna stop that. I did not think this through. Okay, so I'm gonna pick it up and slide this underneath. If it'll let me. Ooh, it did. Okay. And this is going into water, so I can reuse it. I wanna, so the paint doesn't just dry to it. There we go, that's all right for now. Would you look at that? That looks so cool. That looks so cool. Just so much fine line and detail in this thing. It's so interesting looking. All right. Well, let's see what's under there. Oh, first, let me center it. Just a small tilt should be all we need. All right, so we got that part right there in the middle. I want to kind of doodle in it a little bit, maybe. Just a little though, not a whole lot. I mean, that's where I picked it up. I made a big mess. And I'll get better at it. So let me just kind of make something at least kind of visually interesting in the center. Yeah, that's cool. All right. I think I'm ready. I'm excited about this. I really think that when these open up and all these layers start showing, it's going to be really pretty. Let's reorient that closer to the middle. All right, that's better. And a light spin. Ooh, look at that thing. That thing looks cool. What the heck? Wow, all right. That is so nifty. There's so much little tiny detail in it. And I like, you can still see the orange going through. There is hints of that hot pink, but it's more subdued because of the black, but within the blue you're seeing like all these crazy lines and stuff. So pretty. So pretty. kind of want to mess with it. I want to spin it again. But if I do, it's going to push everything. I'm going to leave it. All right, let me get you guys down here and check this thing out. It's so cool. You guys, this thing looks so cool. I really love the tiny little lines that are going throughout it. It was just like 4 separate straight pours all swirled into one. So pretty. This thing dried really well. Next time I wouldn't use a black with those fluorescent colors because it really kind of swallowed up those colors and took away from the vibrance of them quite a lot. So I might have just used a white next time. But it dried really well, and there's so many little details in this thing. And I really love the center. The center looks really good.
If you want to watch another video just like this, click the screen right now and I'll see you there.